Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord cabin air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that most owners can complete in about 10 to 15 minutes. You won't need any special tools, just a new filter and perhaps a flashlight. Regularly changing your cabin air filter improves air quality inside your car and protects your heating and air conditioning system. To begin, open your glove box completely and clear out any items inside. Next, look for the dampener arm, usually found on the right side of the glove box. Gently push it down and forward to detach it from its peg. Then, push inward on both sides of the glove box simultaneously. This action will release the two stopper tabs, allowing the glove box to swing down further and out of your way. With the glove box lowered, you will see a rectangular plastic housing cover, which is the cabin air filter access door. There are two retaining clips on either side. Gently press them inward and pull the cover off. Carefully slide out the old filter, noting the airflow arrow, which typically points downwards. Now, insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow also points down into the housing. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover by snapping the two clips back into position. Next, lift the glove box and push it back into its original opening until the side stops click into place. Reconnect the dampener arm to its peg on the right side. Finally, close the glove box firmly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.